come to the gym to get in the best physical shape I can and to become as swole as possible.
I like working out a lot. It relieves stress from school and stuff.
I'm a physical education major, so it's pretty much what I want to do the rest of my life.
I teach the app class here, so that's like a way for me to get people to come. My roommates will come and take my classes, and sometimes we'll play racquetball and stuff.
I play a lot of sports. I run almost every single day, and I do just as much like working out exercise as I can.
I come to the gym probably like every day except for the weekends, like maybe like once on the weekends.
I'm always like hitting on my friends, trying to get them to come to the gym with me. Like I'm always trying to organize like basketball games or like any like sporting activity that I can think of.
I play club soccer outside of the gym intramural, and then I play tennis with friends.